intention is I want everybody in Papua New Guinea to know the potential of the marketing on social media. If I can do it, you can do it. The first commission may strike him, may exceed him 100,000. That is a check of 15,000 Guinea. Below social media marketing below me. You see, if I can make this from social media, you too can make him. Last year I bought 4 cars, 4 black cars. Me buy last year. Sleep stopper, the car. I'm trying to money on Facebook, na TikTok. One time this is something here. Me get money enough. Me get money enough to buy him girl. Me get money enough to buy him car. Me get money enough to make him house. Me get money. There's potential in social media. There is a future with social media. The moment of social media, not future. Me tell you, there's a future. I'm an example. I'm a living example.
What is the greatest secret behind this man being successful on social media? Most people have been asking about his success on social media. This video will gonna give you the secrets of his success on social media. Do not ever miss out each of the secrets that I will going to give you on this video. Make sure you watch to the end of the video. Before we go through, help him and subscribe and like the video. Let's not waste time. Let's dive direct into his secret number 1 of being successful on social media. Here is secret number 1.
What Mr. make him? Mr. convert him or custom or Mr. convert him or fans and followers to me, your social media platforms to me into clients.
Before you start up your business, before you sell anything, the most very important thing, you have to identify your customers or you have to know your consumers before you sell or do any business. For his case, he converts his Facebook followers into customers to sell anything just in front of your nose. That's secret number 1. Now let's move on to secret number 2.
Facebook got plenty of marketing groups and stuff. You just go and reach out to the landlord or say posting, say for example, one house, and to him and sell him 40,000, 400,000. So sometimes sell him 400,000. You just go and reach out to the poster or talk him, make him comment, or talk him, please let me help you to sell him. Now, you give him ask. Some more clients, you're gonna give him or probably property or probably something to sell him. You make commission. That's where I make money.
After your audience or the consumer identification, now you have to go and look for the product to sell in your company. The products that you will be selling must be consumable to your very own targeted customers. You can think about other products and services that to be sold on the social media and digital marketing. But for his case, he uses the opportunity of social media, especially Facebook, to grab the services and products that are already on the market. He grabs the opportunity and sell the products and services already on the market to the individual or the specific customers. What he does is like he just transfer or revert the products and services that are already on the market to the consumer. That's very, very simple and effective strategy to make money on social media. With that lead us to the beginning of another secret of his success on social media.
Big the money Mr. Making referrals na sales commission. Mr. Gwel Mulman or landlord to sell properties blow. Mr. Mulman no sell car blow. Mr. Mulman no sell all machineries blow, equipments blow. Mr. Mulman no sell more office equipment blow or stationaries. Na mix every car Mr. Salim. I'm 2 grand commission blow. Every car. Every property is Mr. Salim. Commission minimum start to 10,000 depending on the value of the property. How much Mr. Salim? That's where the money is. Sales.
Okay, what Emsa make him Mosem? He reach out for the people who post services and products that are on market on social media. Emsa close him deal blow, first price and second prices, terms and conditions. In other words, he becomes the salesman for the products and services that are already been posted on social media. After the successful sales, Emsa make him cut the percentage that he has to get from the sales of product and services from the social media. That brings us to another success point.
If you cannot find a job, but if you know how to read, write, if you got at least a little skill, now you got one place like Android phone, and you got one Android phone. you can make money for yourself. You can create employment for yourself. South Sudan, believe me. Maybe like I told good social media influencers or stuff, or big name was Cabbage Gang, Tuliman, PNG Forest. Ask them. What make money on social media or not? Ask them. They will tell you. They will tell you the same thing to you. So anyways, let's always look on the positive side of life, on the good side of life. There is a future with social media. The moment of social media, not future. Me tell you, there's a future. I'm an example. I'm a living example.